Hey everybody, welcome to Brother X. We got the temperature at 0 Celsius at 32 Fahrenheit. So here we go. My GoPro tripod broke, so I'm using the extending thing, so hopefully it stays put. So this is kind of, yeah. I'm probably gonna plug in my deep freeze today because all the ice at the side have melted and it's about 50-50 now in the ice bath of ice to water ratio. So it's like a snow cone in here about halfway up. So yeah. I didn't do my test last night, but it's very soon. I was very excited to do my test, that's why I mentioned it, but it will be soon. I'm almost there. Very exciting. I love bettering myself and I love challenging myself to become a better version of who I am. Yeah, this is wonderful. I feel great. It's about 10 o'clock right now. Yeah, I'm probably gonna plug this in after and have this plugged in for a few hours today, so it doesn't freeze totally, but it's enough to keep it chilled. Yeah. Does this feel cold to me? It feels like I have a spacesuit on, to tell you the truth. I don't feel cold. I don't feel like I'm in ice water. I just feel like I'm in a different environment. That's all. I feel like I got a spacesuit on, and this is just the parameters of the suit. It's not that I'm cold. It's not that I'm feeling uncomfortable. My body is heating up the ice. The ice does not cool me. I am the engine. I am the furnace. I tell the ice that I'm in here. The ice doesn't tell me that I'm a visitor. This is my home, and I'm stronger than the ice, and I generate more heat than the ice can take away now. And that's a good place to be when you're in the cold. Yeah, I'm not timing it today. I'm just gonna go till how I feel I have enough time. I haven't had my breakfast yet, but I already had my apple cider vinegar drink with my lemon juice and sea salt, Antarctic salt. I've had that this morning, and then I'm gonna have my natural shilajit when I get out of here. All right, I'm gonna do a quick dunk. Wow. Ugh. Here, let's get this selfie stick. There we go. Here we go. I'm glad that worked out. I'm glad my GoPro didn't fall on the ground. I'm going to give this a quick wipe. I was in it for a few minutes, I see. I go till I'm comfortable. I don't have to push it or challenge myself to stay longer than I need to, right? All right, now let's turn this on. There. Okay, here, I'll come from this side. Let me dry off my hands so I don't have wet hands. There we go. Here, get over here. And I'll grab my nickel. And then let's turn this on. Let's crank her up to 11. And there we go. It's plugged in and it's going to get frosty again. Have a glorious day, everybody. And here, look how beautiful it is today. Hey, guys. Beautiful day, eh? So beautiful. All right. Bye-bye.